What's up, guys? It's Alex from StackTrading.com. Hope you had a great day. We're just killing it this entire week, and to be quite frank, this entire month has been so far so good. Every day has been green, and today I'm walking away making slightly above 1,200 bucks profit. So the trade of the day goes to AMC, but before I jump in and tell you exactly how we traded it, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification button, and it'll help us out with that YouTube algorithm. So let's dive deep into this trade today. It is still on the move, and we still have traders in our live trading room in on this stock. I'm out of it, and this stock, really the play was right here at the open on that breakout of 11 bucks. So what's really nice is that Taj and we work together as partners, and I put together my A list. Taj puts together his A list, and then we spend about 25 minutes between 9 to about 9:25, right before the market opens, going over how we're going to prepare for the trades today. And AMC was on Taj's A list. He brought it up to me. I didn't even have the stock in my radar, and thank God he did, man. Because look at this stock. From the breakout of 11 bucks, it's trading at 13.50 right now, and it is still going. I mean, just a fresh breakout right here. So let's dive a little deeper into how we traded it. So what Taj was telling everyone in the live trading room is wait for that bottoming tail bar and that reversal to kick in, and it's more specifically, look for the breakout above $11, and let's make sure it holds above 11, because if it does, then this stock is going on a rip. We did not obviously think it was going to rip up to 13 and change, so the stock and the trade was just that much better. We have traders clocking in. Let me double check here. We have traders clocking in 89% gain on their call options here. Let me see who else. Yeah, 89% here, 62% on these call options. It was an incredible trade for a lot of our subscribers. And here was the play. Right here on that first bull flag breakout. Pretty freaking simple, guys. I mean, we don't complicate how we trade stocks. We look for very easy setups. This is on the 2-minute time frame. So let's take a look at it on the 5-minute. A lot of our traders do trade on the 5-minute. So here you have the opening candlestick, did pull back a little bit. And then the preceding candlestick did get that nice pop right here above 11 bucks. You could have gone long, placed your stops at low of day. You would have risked a total of 60 cents. That was your risk, this area. 60 cents on the play to now make $2.50. The risk reward is clean, very clean. So that's how we played it. That was the original entry point, and our traders are banking it. So let's say in the event you missed the first entry point, which was right there where I called out the bull flag, the break of 11 bucks. The stock rallied, really held that 8MA on the 2-minute time frame pretty nicely. There were other small micro, entry points that you could have played. I'm seeing one right there. I'm seeing another, flag breakout right here. But these were small breakouts, continuation on the bigger move. Then the stock, you could see, consolidated for a good amount of time, right? So there you have a nice consolidation from about 10:30 until almost 1 o'clock p.m. Now, look at the stock now. Once it broke out of this entire consolidation zone right here at about 12:30, that could have been another entry point. Let's say if you missed this entire move, and boom, entry point at, let's see, what entry point would that be at? Let's say you got in over here, at about $12.30. You're up $1 on that trade, just from that entry point. So multiple entry points on the stock that you could have taken if you missed that original one that we called out to go long at 11 o'clock. At 11, let's say you missed the $11 breakout. Let's say you missed the breakout of this entire consolidation. You could have played breakouts right here. You could have played this breakout right here. See, there are a lot of micro breakouts that you could have played that we were constantly calling out. Wow, this stock is really ripping the 14 bucks. So let me take a look at level 2 here for a second. And let me open it up here. So level 2, where do we have it? Where is it? Oh, I guess it's okay, so it's on my other monitor. But level 2, I see a 494 lot seller at 14 bucks. We could get a little bit of overhead resistance at 14 bucks, but the first thing that I look at is the volume that's being traded on the day. So that seller, I mean 175 million shares being traded on AMC today. So that seller at 14 could get chewed up. So probably not a big enough wall, right, for the stock to prevent the stock from breaking out of 14 bucks. Then you've got a lot of sellers at 15. And now you got sellers showing up, you know, a big lot seller at 20 bucks. I mean, if AMC hits $20 today, my goodness. So there's really no crystal ball that anybody can tell you where the stock is going to go. But the first thing I like to look at is the daily chart. All right, so let me pull up a 1 year. So on the daily, let's refine it a little bit because it's had a crazy 2020. So this is today, big breakout. So I see overhead resistance right here at about the 14 to $14.5 range. Yep, 14.5. If it breaks out of 14.5, guys, I mean, where do I see AMC going? I can see it go to these levels right here. These are just daily resistance zones. So 16 bucks, 16.50, and then 17.20. Those are the areas that I see for AMC. It's got a nice gap that it needs to fill in this zone if we can break out of that 14.50 price target. So be on the lookout for AMC. This is a nice daily breakout. The volume is good. There's some unusual options contracts being traded on AMC, which I think triggered the whole thing. And these are the daily zones that you need to look at. So 14.50 is going to be the area that I want to see AMC break out of to see that continuation possibly for even tomorrow. As a matter of fact, because of the immense momentum that we're having on AMC, keep an eye on it in the after hours. Sometimes these trades can go buck wild in the after hours, and very easy opportunity to make some money here. So we are coming at the 14 zone. Let me see level 2. We still have a 516 lot seller at 14. So let's see what happens then, and we'll check in with everyone tomorrow, I'm sure, as AMC is going to be on everyone's radar. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Smash that like button, subscribe, turn on that notification. I'll see you once we can break out of 14 bucks with AMC, and hopefully tomorrow we'll be covering the stock for trade of the day for a second day in a row. Take care, guys.